Just talk to us about these Kering results. What's so difficult at Gucci to turn the ship around? They've got a new face in terms of the creative direction. Why isn't it making a difference yet?
Hi there. So indeed, I mean, the quarterly results at Gucci were very negative. They fell at 25%, which was slightly worse than expected. Gucci has been in turnaround mode for the past, I would say, 3-4 years. They named a new designer last month, Demna. He comes from Balenciaga, so he'll take over from July. But basically, before Demna, there was Sabato De Sarno, who spent about 2 years there. So that's actually quite a short time to turn around the brand. And Demna, I mean, yesterday we got indications that his first creations will probably be presented in September. So I think that's something investors were also waiting for, because there was uncertainty whether he would put out his first collection maybe in September or in February next year. So and you also have to take into account that when a designer presents a collection, you have to count about 6 months before the products hit the stores. So at least we got that. But overall, I mean, the past year shares are down more than 50% at Kering.
Actually, let's talk a little bit about LVMH. Ex-dividend today, so the stock is a little lower, but it looks like it's going to be raising prices in the United States. Hermes has already indicated that it will do so. Do we know whether the price hikes will compensate for the tariff hit?
Indeed, I mean, yesterday we published that Louis Vuitton, so that's the biggest brand inside LVMH, is increasing prices. It sounds like it's about 4%, So actually, in the grand scheme of things, it's not huge, because luxury brands, they do that on a regular basis anyway. So because they have pricing power and they know that. However, in the past few years, luxury brands have increased prices by a lot. So it's a delicate move. An analyst said it sounds like the price increase of Louis Vuitton in the US are almost negligible. So we'll see what happens. But indeed, as you say, Hermes last week announced that on May 1st in the US, they'll fully compensate the 10% tariffs that have been applied on European goods.